I am Dr. Manu from Jeevan Rekha Parishad, Odisha, India. We are mainly working on climate resilient agriculture. We have already established 2 solar cold storage and 13 greenhouses to promote climate resilient agriculture and to save the food waste in the villages which the farmers are facing today. To expand the program, we are now planning to have a technology-based intervention program for the marginalized farmers. The name of the technology-based project is Flex. Flex is a technology-based platform which will connect farmers with an app which we are going to produce. The name of the app is Farmex. So with the help of the Farmex, this is a AI technology. With the help of this technology, the farmers will be able to know more about the agriculture, the different types of agriculture, the knowledge about soil testing, the knowledge about the use of less water for high production, high productivity, and also how to use low cost technology like greenhouses, solar cold storages, and other agri-based technologies for improving productivity and for improving their income. This technology will also connect the farmers with the market because they are now facing major challenges of marketing of their produces, mainly the vegetables. So now with the help of this technology, with the help of this app Farmex, so they will be able to connect themselves with the market to sell their products on a right price and at a right time. So the objectives of this project is to improve the income of the farmers, mainly to double the income of the farmers, as the farmers are getting very low income because they don't have technology, they don't have the technological support, they don't have tools and techniques. So with these projects, the technology will be provided to the farmers, and as a result, they will be able to know about the market, about the ecosystem they have around them, and they will be able to cultivate more and more vegetable, more and more agricultural produces. And it will also reduce the migration because now they are getting very less profit. With the help of this technology, they will be getting more profit, so that the migration will be reduced in the area. And this project will be implemented for the tribal farmers, mainly the marginalized farmers, those having very less land holding. Thank you.